Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best scent warmer light is probably one of the most underappreciated components of your favorite fragrance device. It's not just about illumination, it's the engine that drives the aromatic experience. Choosing the right bulb can significantly impact the intensity and longevity of your scents, ensuring your home is filled with delightful fragrances. So, let's dive into the world of scent warmer light bulbs and find the perfect match for your needs. Number 5. SerBion 25W Wax Warmer Bulbs, Safe and Dimmable. Are you looking for a safe and effective way to melt your wax melts? These bulbs use filament heat technology to generate the perfect amount of heat. It's flameless, smokeless, and eliminates fire hazards. These bulbs are designed with high temperature protection, preventing them from burning out. They are also waterproof and shatterproof, ensuring your safety and reducing the need for frequent replacements. This is a top choice for your wax warmer. Enjoy a warm white light with a 360-degree beam angle. The high CRI ensures that objects display their natural colors, making them appear more vibrant. It's flicker-free and protects your eyes and your family's eyes. Control the fragrance intensity by adjusting the bulb's brightness. The brighter it is, the faster the wax melts. It's perfect for customizing your fragrance experience. SerBion is committed to providing high-quality products. We are dedicated to ensuring your full satisfaction. If you have any issues, please feel free to contact us. We always stand behind our product. What we like. This bulb offers a flameless and smokeless experience, perfect for those prioritizing safety. If you have pets or small children, this feature will give you peace of mind. It also has excellent dimming capabilities, allowing you to control the fragrance intensity. If you like to customize your scent experience, you should consider this. What people say. They fit my warmer perfectly and heated the wax quickly and evenly. The brightness is just right, not too harsh, but enough to create a cozy glow in the room. They're dimmable, which is great for when you need to set the vibe just right, whether you're in the mood for a cozy, low-light evening or you need something a little brighter to get that wax flowing. Number 4. G50 25W Wax Warmer Bulbs for Scentsy Warmers, 6-pack. These G50 bulbs offer adjustable brightness, allowing you to control the heat. This helps to quickly melt your scented wax. Designed with an E12 candelabra base, it fits full-size Scentsy warmers. However, it might be too large for mid-size warmers. These 120V 25W bulbs are built to last, providing over 1,500 hours of use. They are also safe, with a high temperature resistance up to 300 degrees Celsius. You'll receive a pack of 6 G16.5 Globe E12 candelabra base bulbs. Everything you need to keep your warmer running smoothly. The soft light emits a warm white glow, creating a cozy atmosphere. It's perfect for both home and business use. What we like. This product is designed for longevity and efficient wax melting. It has a long lifespan, reducing the need for frequent replacements. If you are looking for a reliable and long-lasting solution, this is a great choice. It also melts wax quickly, so if you want your space fragranced fast, you should consider it. What people say. These work as well or even better than the one that came with the warmer. They last way longer. These are perfect and work just the same at a lower price. Work well and way less expensive than ordering from Scentsy. Number 3. 6-pack Wax Warmer Bulbs for Scentsy Warmers. This bulb's brightness is adjustable. It releases heat to melt scented wax, allowing you to enjoy your favorite fragrances. It's a simple way to control the intensity of your scent experience. These are 25-watt candelabra E12 base replacement bulbs. They are perfect for full-size wax warmers, providing a great alternative for your simmering light. They are designed to fit perfectly and work efficiently. The bulbs are G16.5 in size, with a diameter of 1.97 inches and a height of 2.75 inches. They feature an E12 candelabra base, making them compatible with many warmers. Make sure to check the size before purchase. These bulbs offer high reliability and a long lifespan. They are packaged very well to ensure they arrive in perfect condition. You can count on them to last. This product is designed for full-size Scentsy warmers. It might be too large for mid-size wax warmers, so please check the size before purchasing. Ensure it fits your specific warmer model. What we like. This bulb is a perfect replacement for full-size warmers and offers dimmable brightness. If you have a full-size warmer and want to control the scent intensity, this is a great option. It also has a long lifespan, so if you are looking for a reliable and long-lasting solution, you should consider this. What people say. The bulbs last a long time, as I never turn my Scentsy pots off and use them as ambient lights and night light in my kitchen and living room, and these bulbs last me approximately 3 to 4 months running 24/7. Ordered the 25 watt for my large warmer and it works great, melts all the wax, and I forgot to turn it off one night, and even after being on for 24 hours I could still touch the warmer and it didn't feel way too hot. They work great, last a long time, and fit most large wax warmers. Number 2. Snnalosses 15WC7 Wax Warmer Replacement Bulbs. These 15WC7 bulbs use advanced filament heat technology. It quickly melts wax cubes without flame or smoke, ensuring a safe and clean environment. The bulbs feature high-quality tungsten wire. This improves the service life, with a lifespan of over 3,000 hours. It provides bright and long-lasting reliability. Designed to withstand up to 300 degrees Celsius, these bulbs prevent overheating. This makes them ideal for continuous use in wax warmers and salt lamps. Made with high-transparency glass, the bulbs emit uniform, flicker-free light. It protects your eyes while enhancing the natural colors of your surroundings. This C7 bulb is suitable for Scentsy plug-in night lights and Himalayan salt lamps. You can control the melting speed by adjusting its brightness, customizing the fragrance intensity. What we like. This product uses advanced filament heat technology for efficient wax melting. If you want a safe and clean environment, this is a great choice. It also has a long lifespan, reducing the need for frequent replacements. If you are looking for a reliable and long-lasting solution, you should consider this. What people say. The light bulb works perfectly in my Scentsy warmer. This is the perfect replacement bulb for my Scentsy warmer. The light is the perfect brightness. Number 1. Wax Warmer Bulb 6-Pack, G5025W. These G5025 watt bulbs are designed to quickly melt your favorite wax melts, essential oils, or diffuser blends. It efficiently releases heat to fill your space with delightful fragrances. The brightness of these bulbs is adjustable, perfect for E12 base wax warmers. You can easily control the ambience and heat output to suit your needs. With a lifespan of over 2,000 hours, this bulb is built to last. It's also safe, with a high temperature resistance, so you don't have to worry about frequent replacements. This bulb provides a soft, warm white light, creating a relaxing and comfortable environment. It's not just a heat source, it's a way to enhance your home decor. We offer a 24-month warranty, ensuring your satisfaction. If you have any questions about the product, please contact us. We are always here to help. What we like. This bulb melts wax quickly and provides a comfortable, decorative light. If you want your space fragranced fast and create a relaxing atmosphere, you should consider this. It also has a long lifespan, so if you are looking for a reliable and long-lasting solution, you should consider this. What people say. These bulbs work perfectly in my wax warmer, bright, quick to heat, and melt the wax evenly for a strong, lasting scent. These bulbs fit my Scentsy wax warmer. Item arrived perfectly. Well packed and nothing broken. This is the second time ordering these replacement warmer bulbs, and they work very well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.